Okay everybody, let's learn something today. We just put fuel in the tank, and to put fuel in the tank, you've got to take the pressure line off so that it can get air in there so it can push the fuel in. We just put the pressure line on. We've also got this little clamp here on the fuel line. We have unclamped it. You want to clamp it when you fuel it. You fuel it through here. There's a little filter. And basically, when you start it, you don't want to have the governor on. So here's my governor. And then over here, you can see that the throttle is working. Linear throttle. Okay? And it's linear because I want to set endpoints and things like that. And you also want to do your needles. Do your needles when you're flying. And you can tune needles without governor. Sometimes that's easier because it's lower head speed. Anyway, I'll show you how to start it. Take a starter, take a 4-cell battery. I've got something called switch glow, so I'm programmed to my switch on my brain system. Turns the glow on. We're in normal mode. Yep, the glow's on, normal mode. Oh, plug in the battery here. There we go. Just like that, we let it warm up a little bit. Turn the glow off. So now you're gonna let the helicopter warm up. Check the smoke. She wobbles because the head speed's low. Go into stunt 1. Look at the smoke. Make sure there's smoke, let it warm up. A little more head speed. Little rich. So yeah, it's really billowing smoke. We're gonna lean that. It's a medium needle. And go ahead and come down. Whoa, shit. Come down. We're gonna take that needle so that comes down here. But wobble's pretty standard on low head speed with the Nitro heli. It's because the motor's pulsing. We're gonna turn it up. Lean everybody out a little. That was just 2 clicks. Basically, the carburetor fell off a little while ago, a couple days ago, and I'm retuning. Too rich. Too rich. That's a high needle because when you pull out, it's still bogging. So, and it's using a lot of fuel right now too. It's all by feel, ladies and gentlemen. I know what I'm doing, so there you go. A couple clicks more on the lean. The motor's fully broke in, so it's time to lean it out. See, it sounds better now. So now we're gonna boost up and go to half throttle. Okay, so mid's too high still, or too rich. But see, it sounds cleaner coming down now. We're just normal mode, no governor there when we land. I'm able to turn the idle down a little more now because it's leaner anyway. So mid's a little high, or a little rich. Okay, lean them both 2 clicks. The mid and the high, 2 clicks, leaner. Clear it out. Running good now. You want a little bit of smoke because it keeps it cool. Never gonna fly like electric, man. This is lightweight, less power. Like that smoke. See that smoke? No matter where I put it, it's smoking. Okay, we're gonna try a little something else. It's still smoking a lot at mid. So there's barely any fuel left in it. I might be able to get one more crank out of it. I probably shouldn't. We just know for the future now that I'm gonna turn down that mid to 2 clicks here. The idle's good now. Mid needs to go down 2 clicks. There it is. Instant throttle now. Don't push it on the fuel, people. You're gonna wanna, so in the end, when you land, everything's off now and the helicopter's still powered up, whatever. You take this pressure line and release it. I just sprayed my radio. Anyway, that's how you do that. Put it back on just so it's on. And for storage, you're gonna wanna clamp this little clampy right there, and then that keeps fuel from going in your carburetor. Unplug it. SAB's got a little battery on the side. So I'm using the Spektrum 6350 servos in this, and Spektrum satellite receivers, just a standard, I think they're 9750s, something like that, remote receivers. And